Claude can now directly integrate with MCP without even using the desktop application. This gives Claude access to do a lot more than just search the web, such as checking your emails and sending on behalf of you, updating your calendar, your GitHub, or even setting up your own custom MCP server to do pretty much anything you want. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up and start using it with Zapier in just about 200 seconds, since Zapier allows you to have a whole number of other integrations that we can then use. You'll find the tools for Model Context Protocol located here under the tools icon. However, to have additional integrations for third-party sources, you will need to make sure that you're on the higher plan. Otherwise, you'll just be able to integrate the basic ones such as Google Drive, Google Calendar, and Gmail. I'm currently on the Pro plan, which hasn't got it included, so I'll need to upgrade to Max. But be aware that this will be available to all users soon, and probably by the time this video is released. Now, if I head to Settings and My Profile, here under Integrations, I've got an option to add more. Now we need an MCP server to connect to. To kick this off, I'm going to use Zapier. They've released an official MCP server, and it comes with all the APIs that you normally have access to, and can be done in 3 quick steps. Here on the MCP page, I'm going to select to create a new MCP server. For the client, I'll select Claude and select Create Server. Here it is. Now to connect it, I'm going to go to the Connect tab, and I'll have a URL here that I can paste into Claude Integrations. Here inside of Claude, under Profile, I'm going to scroll to the bottom and select to add more. Enter in a Zapier MCP integration, and for the URL, paste in what we copied earlier. You'll see it pop up here at the bottom as a new Claude MCP server. We'll also need to select to connect in order to establish that MCP connection to the tools. Once done, you'll have a successful connection, and it should show up here as connected on the options. Heading back to the main chat, we'll see that this is now available here under Zapier Integrations, and these MCP tools are available, but we haven't added any proper ones in. So let's do that now. I'll start with something simple, adding a tool to connect to Gmail, so I can search through my own emails. I'll select to add Find Emails here as an option that is available now inside of Claude, and just one more for Discord here, so I can send different messages to and from channels based on requests inside of Claude as well. Heading back to Claude, if I select Tools, I see my MCP server here available with Google Find and Discord Send channel message. Let me test this. I want a summary of all my new emails today. Claude calls the MCP server with a query and then retrieves the latest email that I received today, giving me a nice simple summary. That's pretty cool. But what about if I wanted to send emails? Well, this is where it gets a little bit easier if you connect up tools that have additional tools connected to them. Since this is kind of the benefit of Zapier, I'm going to add a few more tools here, like sending emails, so I can start using them directly inside of Claude as well. I'll simply select Gmail, and now I'm going to select to send emails and add that as an available tool. If I head back to Claude, I should see that pop up here, though it might need you to refresh the browser. If I check once more, here it is. Great. So let's see if we can get Claude to use this summary to send emails on my behalf to, well, I guess myself at this stage. Looks like that worked. And let me check my Gmail to see if that actually sent properly. It did. Very cool. If you don't use the web version but use Claude Desktop instead, these are all available directly inside automatically. For example, here I'm going to send myself another test email, and that comes through even on the desktop version of Claude. Anthropic are growing their pre-built integration options for MCP, and services like Zapier already have countless number of tools you can start integrating right now. Finally, a big thanks to Zapier for sponsoring today's video.